Welcome to the second annual Bridge Street Town Center 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular. This year's show is a tribute to the protectors of our freedom, our God, and our country. Tonight, we honor our fallen heroes from all branches of military service with a moment of silence, followed by a 21-gun salute.
Just as the benefits of freedom touch all of our lives, so do the costs. As valiant as our efforts are to defend all that we hold dear, we are now more aware than ever. It takes divine intervention to give us the wisdom and courage to protect all that we hold sacred. This is a nation that boldly proclaims her trust in God. We are sustained in the present and assured of the future by the proof of the past. God has blessed America. God does watch over his children. God will lead his people.
America has kept alight the torch of freedom, not just for ourselves, but for millions of others around the world. We will never compromise our principles and standards. We will never give away our freedom. We will never abandon our belief in God.